grammar of NARUBEKU. The grammar of NARUBEKU is mean that as much as possible. In Japanese, when you use the grammar of NARUBEKU, you can use the start by the grammar NARUBEKU and followed by some action. The action in here depends to the situation and what you want to explain about. And when you use the grammar of NARUBEKU, it means that as much as possible. So to make more understand about how to use the grammar of NARUBEKU, the next we are going to see some example. The first example, なるべく気をつけてください。なるべく気をつけてください。which means be as careful as you can. Be as careful as you can. The next example, なるべく運動するべきです。なるべく運動すべきです。which means you should exercise as much as possible. In the first sentence that you see that after なるべく we use the action that 気をつけてください that you should be careful as much as possible, right? And for the second sentence, you see that after なるべく they use 運動すべきです which means you should exercise. But when you put the なるべく it means you should exercise as much as possible, like this. The next example, ミーティングはなるべく早い時間に始めてもらいたいです。ミーティングはなるべく早い時間に始めてもらいたいです。which means I would like to start the meeting as early as possible. I would like to start the meeting as early as possible. In this sentence that you see after we use なるべく is followed by the action that 早い時間に始めてもらいたいです。which means that they want to, if you just say 早い時間に始めてもらいたいです that means you want to start the meeting earlier. But when you put なるべく that means you want to start the meeting as early as possible, like this. The next example, 寝る前にはなるべくストレッチをしてから寝るようにしましょう。寝る前にはなるべくストレッチをしてから寝るようにしましょう。This means that let's try to stretch before going to bed as much as possible. Let's try to stretch before going to bed as much as possible. In here we use after なるべく we use ストレッチをしてから寝るようにしましょう。That means if we just translate only ストレッチをしてから that means you do the stretch before you go to bed. But if you put なるべく this means let's try to stretch before going to bed as much as possible, right? Thank you very much for watching my video clip, and please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next time. ありがとうございました。